Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Allure beauty box for December 2025. Let's get into it and check it out. The Allure beauty box is a beauty box that comes with 6 products inside. They say 3 will be full-size products. We will have a value of more than $100. We always do. It has been such a good box. It's just been really chock full of good stuff. It is $25. You can bring the cost down by taking it out over time. I will put a link down below for you. It is not a sponsored box. I purchased this box all on my own. We have our paperwork up top. We'll get into that in a second, but when we pop it open, whoop, that's what we have. Ooh. They've made it look pretty for us for December. That's very pretty. We don't always have these squiggly papers in there to protect it. Okay, let's see. We have our paperwork that will tell us a little bit about what we have on the inside, a little bit about each of the products. Happy holidays, Allure Beauty Box. We have a Spread the Beauty. They want you to gift an Allure Beauty subscription. Or I have $10 in member store credit. That's kind of fun. We're gonna start with what was right on top. We have the Innisfree Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads. I will set this aside. I don't use retinol products. So that is what that looks like. It is a 2-pack, although best for those who have acne-prone skin, so it's not even perfect for me. Anyone can use these potent pads packed with powerhouse ingredients like retinol and salicylic acid that exfoliate and deep clean pores. $28 for 60 pads, and we have 2, so this is just a little under $1. But the Innisfree brand is a really nice brand. Okay, next out right on top we have Manuka Honey Kissed Deep Hydration and Shine. Okay, I'm a little excited about this because I do Manuka Honey. I got it years ago. I read about it and how good it was for gut health. Not that I use much honey, but if you just like a teaspoon-ish a day, or even if just when you have a bellyache you use Manuka Honey, it helps with that. So this is Manuka Honey. It says shampoo and conditioner. Oh, interesting. So that is what that looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is from Lucetta. We had them, was it in our Allure last month? We had them in a box. It might have been our Allure last month. It was a deep cleansing mask, and it worked really nicely. So I'm even more excited to try these. So we have, was it an ounce? Yes, 1.01 fluid ounces of each. Let's see what they smell like, because that's very important with shampoo and conditioner. My hair, I have a lot of hair on the top of my head, and it holds the scent. Oh, it smells good. It smells fresh. There's a little bit of that honey scent, but it's not sweet. It's not like overly sweet. Yeah, it just smells really clean and nice. I am so excited. I will for sure be trying this. And also, how cute is that little bag it came in? The paperwork says, Manuka Honey has been long loved for its sweet, earthy taste and ability to support the immune system, thanks to antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know it's pretty great for hair too, especially in this shampoo and conditioner? The cleansing formula, including a nourishing argan oil and hydrating panthenol along with the honey, smooths and softens strands as it washes them. And don't worry, this conditioner has the sweet stuff too. It's even more complex thanks to the addition of royal jelly extract, a fancy way of saying honeybee secretion. The formula, which also includes hyaluronic acid and deeply hydrates hair and gives it a syrup-like shine. So retail value is $16 for 500 ml, and we have 30 ml included in the box. And that's the same for the shampoo, same price. These are each also about $1 each, if my math is correct. I believe that. Well, that's... just for the record, that's super cute for just a couple dollars worth of product. I still like it. Okay, next out, we have bee venom. So we have a theme, honeybee or stingy bee. Bees might be our theme this season. Firming eye cream. Well, firming eye cream sounds fantastic, and it's rhodiol, which sounds nice, but it scares me a little bit, the word venom. I cannot tell a lie. Let's read about it, and then if I'm forced to, I will try. Can you guys see how small those words are? I will try and read some of the ingredients to see if it's something I can use. 100 and $75 for 25 ml, and that is what we have. That's a lot of dollars. $175. That's okay. As the name implies, this tightening treatment is formulated with bee venom. Yes, seriously. Tread lightly if you have an allergy. To help soothe crow's feet and under eye fine lines, while vitamin C helps fade the look of dark circles as it brightens. Nope. I'm a nope on that. I am not allergic to bees. If I get stung by a honeybee, I'm not gonna die. But I do have an advanced reaction, not your basic run-of-the-mill reaction. So I don't think that I'm going to risk it for the biscuit for eye serum, eye cream. I will set this aside to pass along because it is a $175 value. This is full-sized. It could be awesome. Have you guys used this? Please, please let us know below. I mean, this has got to be right up there with, who's the other one? Avant. You know how their prices are always through the roof, inflated. It might not be inflated. It could totally be what it's worth. Totally be what it's worth. I'm not using it because I'm not risking bee venom. Okay, next. Beauty for Certain Soft to Sculpted Contour Palette. That is what that looks like. We just had a Beauty for Certain in my Ipsy, I'm pretty certain. And so they're getting around. They're becoming like a wander. Yeah, that is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of an olive color, olivey brown. I do dig that. I do like an olive color. Oh, it's... What did I read that made me think it wasn't eyeshadows? Contour palette. Wait, what? This looks like eyeshadows to me. Does that not look like eyeshadows to you? You don't have to be the next Michelangelo to wield the power of a contour palette, especially if this 5-shade kit is the medium you're working with. Its warm and cool shades in matte and shimmer textures leave lots of looks up to your imagination. It is full priced. It is a $39 value. And it says, with an angled contour brush, use the deeper shades for a bronzer shading and sculpting down the nose, jawline, and across the forehead. And a fluffy fan brush will help lighter tones glisten as highlighter on the cheekbones. But what? This, I don't want to touch it. Because it says cooler shades. I'm not sure. Maybe this one shade here might be cooler. But those are warm shades. Those some warm shades. And I'm not sure. I don't think I'm this skilled. I would use that one, just like, you know, like you do. And I might, if that was a little bit lighter, would use it as a highlighter. The 3 in the middle, I didn't know. I didn't know what I would do with them. So, I think I might pass this along also. It is paraben-free, silicone-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, talc-free. 2 thumbs up for that. And recyclable. Yeah. It says to apply the matte shades in the hollows of your cheeks, but these two, even for me, these two are kind of light. So, okay. I'm sure it's me. I'm sure I am the problem because, as I have said many times on this channel, not a beauty guru, just a girl who enjoys makeup. Next out, we have Dibs. I think it's the last thing I have in there. Dibs Rock Candy. This was our customization choice for our December box, so I chose this color. And this is a glossy balm in Italian soda, Kiss Me Quick, Rock Candy, or Mims. It's a balm. It's a gloss. It's both. The double duty product gives the lips the best of both worlds. It nourishes and adds shine in one quick swipe. Antioxidant-rich cherry kernel oil moisturizes, while the ultra-fine shimmer gives a sheer, gorgeous gleam. You can choose which one you'd receive from 4 Glimmering Shades, which we talked about. And it is a $24 value. It is full-sized. I think this is the last product in my box. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am missing a product. So we will go further to see what I am missing. It is not like, ooh, shipping. I like it. It is not like Allure to leave me hanging out there in missing land. So we will work that out in a second. Oh, wow. It does a great job of pulling off the extra. I can't tell if it smells. I don't quite have my sense of smell back yet, but she's pink. Mostly gloss. Can you guys tell that it absolutely lightened my lip color? I had a darker color on than this. I think it's sweet. I think it has a sweet feel. Desert Island Beauty Status. Oh, dibs! Desert Island Beauty Status. I did not know that. Did you know that? Did everybody know that but me? Did I miss that meeting? I mean, it sounds kind of like me, but I always wondered why it was called dibs. Now we know. So we got the dibs Desert Island Beauty Status Beauty to Go Glossy Balm. I chose it in, let me show you the other ones. I chose it in, what did I choose it in? How does a person forget things like that so quickly? I chose it in Rock Candy. These are the other colors that you could have chosen it from. This is the one I chose. Okay. I also received the bee venom. Don't use it if you're allergic to bees. The Not an Eyeshadow Beauty for Certain Soft to Sculpted Contour Palette. Did I tell you this had a $39 value? This had a $175 value. I mean, there's some value in this baby. Next, we got the Innisfree Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner 2-pack. This had like a $1 value, as I recall. And we've come across what I am missing. The Base Blue Cosmetics Mini Air Sponge Sadness. I love the Base Blue sponges. And it's the mini, so it's the ones, I use the minis under my eyes to do my concealer. I like them very much. It's not in my box. That makes me sad. And then we had the shampoo and conditioner. These also had about a $1 value each, but they were super cute in their little baggie. That would be so perfect for traveling. Okay, let me double check now that I know that it's a mini. Let's double duty check and make sure that I didn't just miss it. I don't think I could have missed it, but there is shred in here. I for sure did not miss it. Did just make a mess with the shred though. Still like the box, although I will say this is my success for this one. The dibs, how much was this? Does it pay for at least the cost of my box? Yes, no, $24 value. So with this, I have $26 in value. So at least these three things covered the exact cost of my box. I would have had a base blue sponge, but I did not get that. And then of course, per the usual for me, the most expensive items. I could use this. I could totally use this. I just don't feel like I would use it to its fullest potential. That's probably the nicest way of saying it. I don't feel like I would get every value out of it, and this seems risky. Firming eye cream, and it has bee venom in it. Okay, that is my Allure box. I liked it very much. I would have loved to have received the little sponge. I don't know that I'll let them know. I don't know that it's, honestly, that it's worth all of that. I have a lot of sponges. We get them in boxes a lot. That said, they should probably know that things aren't missing because they probably pay somebody else to package the boxes. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I hope I will see you again soon. We're going to do some new stuff for the new year. Take care, guys.